Hey everyone, Kyle with Jump15.com here, and today's video we're talking about the five biggest jump rope mistakes that most people make and that you need to avoid. These things are killing you, so check these things out, master them, and I guarantee you're gonna start increasing in your skills much quicker. Before we get started, if you could just answer a few of these questions that I have right here, I would be hugely appreciative. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Let's do this. The first big mistake is poor rope choice. This can lead to a number of pitfalls right out the gate, with a few being it can break easily if it's poor quality, too much or not enough speed for ability, too light with not enough feedback to maintain rhythm, and it might retain the coil or storage shape, creating more trip-ups. Sizing your jump rope correctly is very important. Many people have a rope that is too long for them. This generates poor form and technique habits, limiting your ability to advance in your jump rope skills. It leads to more trip-ups and frustration and can wear your rope out faster due to more of the rope hitting the ground. A properly sized rope should be skimming the ground, limiting drag on the momentum and saving your rope from pounding the jumping surface. I see many people not practicing proper form and technique. This will limit your growth potential with the jump rope in the long run, so take the time to really master this area. If you need to learn proper form and technique, I have a tutorial linked in the top right you can check out. Mindless practice develops and ingrains bad habits. Along with practicing good form and technique, also pay attention to what is happening while you're jumping. Learn to identify why you tripped up and what caused it. This will allow you to quickly make adjustments and overcome problem areas in your mechanics. Practice with the intention of getting better. And last but not least, don't compare your abilities to mine or anyone else's. Don't despise the days of small beginnings. Your starting point is unique to you. Put in the proper practice and you will get better over time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Diligence and consistency is your winning recipe. It's up to you to put to action. Go get it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button below and let me know in the comments what your favorite tip was from the 5 biggest errors. If one stood out most to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.